Hello, how you doing? Welcome. My name is Jimmy. In this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be sharing with you my small studio where the magic happen, which is where I make my hair care product and the upcoming skincare product. If you like this video, please let me know and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? I will see you in my next video. Enjoy this video and leave me a comment if you have any question for me. Now that you've seen the overview, I'm going to start breaking this studio down into sections for you. This is the exit door. This corner right here, it's where I have all the parts and containers that I use to mix product. And right there, it's my filler, and this is the mixer right there. And that's all I have in that section. Let's talk about all the cabinets that is here. The cabinets are set up like so. So I have those on that side. The standing cabinet, this shelving is two of them on the side. Every cabinet, except for the one in the corner right there, hold the product. And I have another one right there. That's where all the raw materials that I use, that's where they are stored at. Let me break it down. This right here, it's my mixer. Some products cannot be mixed with immersion blender. I have to use a mixer. I don't use it a lot of times, but some product I have to use that in order for it to have the right efficacy and the right combining mixture of multiple ingredients together. This right here, I would say it's one of the most important thing for me in this studio, because when I make product, before the products go out for sale, I get to check the shelf life of it. I have to be able to put how long the product is going to last, in order to be able to maintain the efficacy. Like I said earlier, this incubator is empty. I only use this when I'm formulating. I use it to test the product that I'm going to be selling to see if it's going to last, if it's this is easy because I just keep aloe vera, vegetable glycerin. I like to keep it right there so I can see it. If it's out here like this, that's my common use. This doesn't stay there like this. I interchange them based on what I'm doing. This section right there is the same thing. And inside the cabinet, I have raw material like I had out in there as well. This I have all my herbs. I have items that I use, and I have all my butters in the bottom. This section right here, it's just where I keep filing and all of that. If I need, before I file them, I keep it right there. This section, it's my music center, and this area right here, it's where the product picture happens. On this section right here, office section, can I just call it? I will call that section office section, right? That's where I do all the editing of the product. That's where my computer, that's where I sit to work here. As you can see, I like pink. It makes me happy. It brings the best. So it's a motivating color for me. This is the printer, and that's the filing cabinet right there. Let's move on to the shipping area. This is a tape. It's a water activated tape, and it's custom for the product. And this is a tissue, and that's custom as well for the product. And here, the rest of the shipping area. Now we're moving on to this section right here. This section, it's where the products will normally be before they get shipped out. But since what I'm doing right now currently is to finish the setup for Lavishly Skincare, I use this section. I was using this section to see how the label will look like. Do I like it? Is it something that customer would like to see? There's still more going on with this, where I'm not done with this designing yet, but I'm almost there. That's actually the hardest part for me right now, because everything is ready to go except for me to finish the design, the color that I think is the best. And so I think that part of me is the perfectionist side of me, where I love everything to be the way I feel like it should be. But I think sometimes we just have to pull the plug, and that's what I think I'm going to do here. Later, I can always change the design, but for right now, this is where I am. Here, though, you will find the refrigerator where I keep stuff that needs to be refrigerated. And here, the rest of the container. Here is the full circle. In the middle here, I have the second cart right there, and I have a big pot that I pour water and stuff, like when I'm done using them, I clean them, I put it right there. I have different sizes of immersion blender. This is the little one right there. That's the little one. And this is the Big Daddy. I call it Big Daddy version. It's the big one. On the working table, I have pH meter, the temperature meter, pH strip. I have my mini scales right there. Here is what I use to heat up, to do double boiler and all of that. And we are right back. So this is the view from here. And then let me go to the opposite side. And this is the view from the opposite side. Here is the studio. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I know it's not a detailed tour because we didn't open all the cabinets, but we're going to be doing that at a later video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, let me know. I'm going to be taking you along behind the scene once a while so you can see what your girl is up to. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.